our own celebrity. So when the share shop,
Shay, you are a bad friend. APC deceived me. You all are laughing, they took everything. APC, you deceived me.
And then go give you money. So now you they pay to enter, you can't lose.
Nobody send you.
They don't pay you money.
Man, let me tell you, as I day now, Tinubu no really trust me. As igbo man where I be, they look me with one eye. Because he believes say, this one where they work for people before.
Hey.
This one fee maybe.
Oh, you don't work for me, PCB before?
Yes, now last election.
Why you leave from?
I check out my brother. See, I don't want to lose again. Because they say first food no be food, and second food be
well, yeah, where you choose Peter Obi, you think say you go lose. But now when we say you choose Tinubu, you can't still lose. So what happened?
No be Tinubu lose now. I mean,
you lose.
Yes, now you don't mean anything.
Okay.
Peter Obi no lose.
If you choose
as
Peter
he lose that one, he kill himself. No be in the one run again. I think you no be in the strong.
You go win again. This one.
You know if he win.
How you know? See, please.
You know if he win because he's not ready. The people who are more ready will.
You know, the seats, the tickets for the Imo West local government senatorial bid he's pushing for. He lost woefully. And we also hear talks that he probably might be defecting to NDC. That's speculation. Can it actually be true? Because do you see CUBANA defecting from APC after being also a member of the City Boys movement? Is there any possibility for CUBANA to join NDC?
I always say the CUBANAs, that's how I want to look at it, both Utopina and the priest himself. But let me look at the priest, the one who significantly stepped out and that he wants to become House of Rep member at the end of the day, if he wants to go to federal and started mobilization. But if you beat down a little bit to the East City Boys movement or agenda, you look at it very well that the Southeast, are not Babasobe type of people. They are not Babasobe type of people. That's what I want to point out. It was tested firstly in Imo State, where whatever they brought were actually looted in that regard. Without Mazin Namdekano, there's no one in the eastern part of the country that will vote for APC. I repeat, today is 19th May 2026. I repeat, the entire eastern Nigeria will not vote for APC, no matter whether it is Ojus or Kalu, Benjamin Kalu, Mahi, or whoever it is. The reality is staring them on the face. And you've watched the video, you've seen it very clearly, that it is being reported that he started making that Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that he was actually sabotaged. Sabotage is what we are talking about today. You can look at, they are the one that came out there and said they are billionaires. There are more than 1,000 secret billionaires in Anambra State. Don't make noise. They do not make noise. But because you saw him kneeling down before the vice president, Shetima, you will see different. That means it tells you that this is the source of the God. The way they planted Asali Dokubo is the way they wanted to plant these people. And in these guys, they are telling you they want to get to the center, but the center can no longer hold. Obi CUBANA. Obina, yes, CUBANA. What they call the other black guy. I don't look at them. I don't want to know them. Because anything, you can see what is happening in the West. There's a mass slaughter of the Southwesterners, the Yoruba people. That is less than 120 years in existence in Nigeria. Ta! Igbo, 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 Bobo. That's what I want to tell you. Over 500 to 1,000 years in existence in Nigeria. The people that gave them the name Yoruba are invading them and are killing them. Let me come back to the Obi Cubana because that will be a story for another day. The City Boys movement, now a village boy movement. You have gone back to return to the village boy movement, knowing fully well the likes of Asiwaju, Bola Ahmed Tinubu can never be trusted. You made all the noise. Can you run to Tinubu now and beg him? The Igbo nation is distinct. The Igbo nation is distinct. I'm talking about politics because we need to talk about politics and how it affects the Biafran struggle and how it affects the Igbo nation and how it affects the ambitiousness of Gregory Peter. There's about 2-3 angles to it. Nigerians all over the world, it is crystal clear that there's nothing like one Nigeria. But in a bid to deceive the southern part of the protectorate, the North seems to have this political overwhelming power against the South. But that is not correct. The Igbo, as in Nigerian context, is the oldest tribe in Nigeria. New and positioned. So if you see the likes of the Cubanas, I don't want to talk because I got to know that both of them, the Opina stuff and the chief priest stuff, they were all Cubanas. I'm not against anybody's ambition. Yeah, but you know, serve the zoo and came back and come back crying. You were sure of Tinubu, you were sure of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The same thing that happened to you is likely going to happen to Nyesom Wike, the current FCT minister of the Federal Territory, Abuja. You know the reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu pointed all these things, and he is in Sokoto prison, and you guys are looking at Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who seems to have more than 10 identities. If I want to explain it, more than 10 identities. If I want to explain how such person can become the president of Nigeria, maybe there's a lot of democratic questions and the principles that brought him in a position of leadership in this country that needed to be questioned. Meaning that the system has already been compromised. And that is why you are seeing jihadists tendencies all over the country. This is a man who pretended to love the Igbos, are called the IPOB terrorists, and is seeking the election of those he labeled terrorists. Why throwing red carpet on terrorists from the north? They divided the old Eastern region and said, no, it's no longer the old Eastern region. They appointed and positioned the likes and empowered the likes of CUBANA, Obina, priest, CUBANA, and then they brought government of Bolo, and then they brought, Asare de Kubo. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is distinct. You can see. Have you seen it now? Who's going to teach you that lesson that an average Igbo man from identification of Nigeria as a nation during the amalgamation of the northern and southern protectorate, the Igbo man is not regarded as an entity of Nigeria. Obi can be there for just 4 years, conditionally or not. the disintegration of Nigeria should be paramount purpose and understanding, so that you can allow the Northerners to practice their faith and religion based on their understanding. And any other region can do that. Instead of cohabiting, and Americans are playing the advanced diplomatic engagement with the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We cannot cohabit those who have sworn to disalive Christians to the last person.
But don't you think the likes of Peter Obi, owing to his leadership skills, which many are trying to say, yes, he has the leadership skills to bring out some kind of stability to Nigeria, and which he has also promised the security architecture of Nigeria will surely be tackled. Don't you think Peter Obi can change the narrative?
I want to say congratulations to NDC, Nigeria Democratic Congress, for giving Obi, for supporting Obi, even though that form was actually bought for by somebody else, and they wanted a new Nigerian. A new Nigeria you are talking about will be based in Nigeria that is negotiable. And before the Biafran nation will be part of the confederate of the Nigerian government, there should be a wider consultation, and the name of Nigeria will be changed, which I think Obi cannot be able to do that. Obi cannot be able to ask. I am telling you unexplicable truths that Obi cannot stop radical advancement of Islamization agenda of the Nigerian system. Powered. I don't want to mention countries. Powered. And when I said powered, you should be able to understand what I mean. Anybody that's telling, yes, Obi can be there for 4 years, but does he stop more than 5, 10, 100 of Islamic sects who have not seen Nigeria as an ideological, indigenous place to dwell and inhabit and incubate and breed terrorism, possibly exporting it to the world? That's why I look at Donald Trump sometimes. I said, no, Donald Trump, you are not being advised properly. Because if Donald Trump is being advised properly, by now, the sovereign Jewish first black nation on the continent of Africa would have been running into existence now. Nigerian government can deceive you with the resources of the crude oil coming from the eastern part of the country to lobby the US government and Donald Trump. We are seeing it become very significant because the United States government decided to expose it. If it were under Obama, nobody would expose anything because it was under Trump and some level of sympathy that the Christians in Nigeria cannot rise against the extremism and Islamist attack on the Christian communities all over Nigeria, including the Southwest, where the president of Nigeria currently now came from. He was the one that sentenced Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to life imprisonment. Today, mass murder by the Islamists is taking place in Southwest. He pretentiously to be silent because he aligned with the likes of the extremist oligarchy, political oligarchy of the Northern Caliphate to negotiate power. And part of the deal was that the entire Southwest will be Islamized. Then they will now advance from there to the Biafran land. But unfortunately for them, the Jewish nation, the black African Biafran nation, have rejected that. And that is why we are telling the world that, you know, it's not about only conflict resolutions. The United Nations and the world leaders need to take part and recognize Biafra, as much as to put these people who have sworn an oath to stop Christian existence in Nigeria and have their own faith nation in any part of Nigeria, which includes the northern part. They can go there and practice Sharia. Practice Sharia. We are not disturbing anybody. Donald Trump should stop thinking that the Christians in Nigeria should cohabit with extremism. Now we have thousands of them living in the northern part of the country who are championing and sponsoring the southern invasion under Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Mr. Donald Trump, the president of the United States of America currently now, please, sir, anybody have come across this video, irrespective of the platform you find this video, please, I want to say it very clearly here that cohabiting or bombing or deploying U.S. military personnel, no matter how sophisticated it is, cannot stop the jihadist guerrilla warfare on Christians. That's my position on that. And the only way out of it completely is for the United States of America and the Israeli government under Benjamin Netanyahu to today, tomorrow, announce the protection of the Middle Belters and, of course, the protection of Christians in Nigeria, seeking a safe Christian nation, a nation for Christians in Nigeria called Biafra Republic. That is what is remaining. Since 1967, the war has been on. What is Nigeria Biafran war? If you ask Gowon, he will tell you that it's all about the crude oil. But if you ask Ojukwu, he will tell you that it is Muslim Christian religious war in the most populous black nation has been defined by the British government. Don't be surprised that any moment from now, Keir Starmer, the British Prime Minister, will exit as the Prime Minister of Britain. What does that tell you? It tells you that when Britain wanted to leave EU, there were no obstacle. Why this obstacle? When Biafra is connecting the whole world in solidarity, that the only way out is to create a safe nation, country for the people of Christians in Nigeria. And that is what is as simple as that. And that is what we are talking about. And that's what it means. Thank you.